Hey guys, Trevor Hammond here. Quick, profound message. I want to get out to everybody I know, my own mortgage professionals that I get to coach and support every day, as well as my friends around the area. I had a great call today. I'm in the elite group with Todd Duncan, as some of you already know, and I get a chance every single month to be with some of the top mortgage thinkers and producers around the entire country, along with Todd Duncan himself, who guides the conversation. And today we had a very profound discussion that started off with, how do billionaires think? It was around mindset. And he started by just sharing the fact that Jeff Bezos of Amazon just increased his net worth by, I believe, $13 billion in one day. So it just kind of blows your mind about what's possible out there. So we kind of brought that concept back into our conversation, being in the mortgage industry. And many of you, I know we are, and our team is, we're having record months, a record year. We have never done this much production, helped this many families, and had this kind of income before for most of us, if not all of us, in our careers. So how do you change your thinking? What does this lead to? All right, so the first thing that we discussed today is billionaires constantly develop their mindset. They're big thinkers and big dreamers. So in today's environment, is stressful as it might be with how much production you've got, and you might be drinking from the fire hose with all the opportunities to help people, whether it's refinancing or purchasing, but saving money and taking advantage of the low interest rates right now. How are you continuing to think really big? How has your thinking changed? Because I know mine has. We are achieving goals I didn't think possible quite yet. And I'm reimagining ways to reward and recognize our team, our support team, our processors, our assistants. I'm reimagining things we can do at a branch level here in the Portland area where I am. So how are you thinking bigger? How are you continuing to develop your mindset? Because here's the key. You've got to keep your focus on the long play here. I know a lot of you have your head down and you're just swimming in loans and mortgages, but you've got to step out of it and remember what the long play is for you. Secondly, what we talked about is they increase their risk-bearing capacity, all right? And the fact is not having a balanced risk toleration can limit or even create more risk for you and minimize your growth opportunity. So where are you willing to take on some more risk? I've got mortgage advisors on my team that I am helping them hire more team members. Now that can be a risk. You say, hey, what if things slow down? Well, what we're doing is we're learning, we're thinking bigger. How could we bring on a new team member and have them adaptable to change their focus, what they do for us if the market changes, rather than just having to hire people and then let them go if things slow down, right? So think about where you might need to take on a little bit more risk to fully maximize this opportunity in front of you right now for as long as it happens. And then when the market does shift, how can that person or those new team members help you take advantage of the next market shift, all right? And then finally, they have a healthy perception towards failure, and they fail fast. I learned this long ago from reading John Maxwell's book, Fail Forward. I was probably in my second or third year in the business when John Maxwell was introduced to me. Fail Forward was a concept I learned quickly, that failure is okay as long as I learn from it. So are you willing to, like the second bullet point, take the risk, okay? Step out of your comfort zone, take on some risks, and then be okay with failing and messing up and falling on your face. As long as you learn and you get back up and now you move forward more successfully, you're good. And the concept that Todd Duncan shared with us today is that early failure is actually more critical than early success. Okay, you can learn from failure. You don't often learn from being successful. You learn when you screw up, when you mess up, when the loan process doesn't go well, you've got a client who's mad at you. You are forced to improve, okay, your processes, your team, your capabilities. So I hope that's helpful for you. It was a very profound conversation that we had today with top people from around the country chiming in their thoughts, and I just wanted to share that with all of you. So hope it's helpful. Reach out anytime if I can be of value to you. We are focused on these things every day on my team, and helping everyone else grow and improve personally and professionally. That's my passion. All right, talk to you soon. Make it great. Bye-bye.